जस्टिन तुम तो हमारे दुश्मन बन गए यार।
अरे नहीं
बड़ी घटिया बातें लिख रहे हो।
ऐसा है.
हाँ
I was just asking, you could have refused to answer. You said तुम्हारी सोच गंदी है. Where does it come from? Am I wrong? You said it right here.
and you're
This
going
is
to
not-
make twist it, so I cannot talk to you. That's all I'm trying to say here.
ये बीच में नहीं बोलेगा। बाद में क्यों अभी बोला ना, इसने बीच में किसको बोला बाद में बोलेगा।
कंगना रनौत ने 7 जुलाई की शाम बड़े ही स्वैग में अपनी फिल्म जजमेंटल है क्या की टीम के साथ वखरा स्वैग गाना लॉन्च किया, लेकिन ये लॉन्च तब्दील हो गया एक सुल्तानी अखाड़े में। मैदान में उतरी कंगना रनौत और मात्र एक रिपोर्टर।
Doing smear campaign on me. Oh,
That's not done, Kangna.
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का माहौल अच्छा चल रहा था।
ठीक है, हम लोग यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा इंटीमेट एनवायरनमेंट में, देखो मैंने गार्टर्स पहने हुए हैं। You understand?
सवाल जवाब सेशन चल रहा था। अब इस रिपोर्टर के हाथ में माइक आया। माइक आते ही कंगना ने रिपोर्टर की कर दी बेइज्जती, वो भी भरे महफिल में।
Right. Kangna and Raj, Justin here from PTI towards your left here. Hi, hi.
जस्टिन तुम तो हमारे दुश्मन बन गए यार।
अरे नहीं
बड़ी घटिया बातें लिख रहे हो।
ऐसा है.
हाँ
सच लिखता हो यार.
कितनी ज्यादा गंदी गंदी बातें लिख रहे हो। इतना गंदा सोचते कैसे हो?
Kangna, I don't think it's fair to say that.
No, but is it fair for you to write stuff like
Like
that?
what? Like what? Since you mentioned. No, Kangna, I really mean to ask. It's not fair for you to sit on that
You
podium.
are bashing my film Manikarnika. Have I done a mistake by making a film on a? You are calling me a jingoistic woman who's
Kangna,
making a film on nationalism. Is it
Kangna,
my mistake to make a
Kangna,
film on?
if I may, with your permission, I did not even tweet anything about Manikarnika. So.
I will
And
send you.
And I respect. and
Yeah, of course.
And I
You
I
have
don't know. This is
been-
not the right way, Kangna. You cannot intimidate a journalist because you are at the power position here.
Can we have the-
No.
ये कहकर कि उन्होंने मणिकर्णिका फिल्म को लेकर नेगेटिव बातें लिखी। कंगना की ओर से आए इस स्टेटमेंट को निगल नहीं पाया रिपोर्टर और कंगना के साथ बहसबाजी में लग गए।
And I didn't mean to intimidate anyone. I am just being very candid. That's how everyone is talking to each other here. Like that. That's why I'm being candid. And Justin, you came to my van and we had lunch together and I offered you, we've had an interview together. And after that, of course, there are things that been happening and you yourself. So don't say that I am taking, you have spent at least 3 hours in my van. Okay, right? So you are a friend.
Kangna?
In that context, I'm saying that after you came out of my van, things have changed drastically. So in that
Kangna?
context, I know you personally. So don't
Kangna?
try and tell me that
Kangna,
I am
if I-
intimidating you from here. When
Kangna,
you
if I
have
may add, no.
personally, you
Kangna, this
message
is
me
not
personally.
Fair. Kangna, do you realize this is not fair?
You
This-
message me personally. You
I
come to my
never
van.
did. I never.
So I am.
Kangna.
Don't try and tell me that I am being
Kangna,
a star right now.
no,
I'm not
no,
being a
sorry,
star. I'm talking
sorry.
to like a friend.
Sorry. Oh no. I think we need to clear this, Kangna. I think we need to clear this. I never
guys.
spoke to you for 3 hours on your van. I did interview.
You did.
Kangna, let me speak. Did I interrupt when you were speaking this? This is not done. But since you started, let me confirm. I interviewed you for Manikarnika, which was done by the PR. Parag Desai, I think, was handling the film. I interviewed you for half an hour. We did not have lunch. I never messaged you ever. I did my job.
Let's come to the-
No,
You
no, please.
messaged me.
Guys,
Kangna, I did not. I did not.
let's not.
Kangna, if you can share the screenshot of my message, please.
Sure.
Of course I will, but I'm not
Wonderful.
here in some.
That'll be wonderful. Because,
interrogation.
Kangna, because no, I'm saying because you're accusing.
So
We'll take this
Justin,
offline together.
if you
I'm
have
sorry.
if
Sorry.
you have the prejudice of whatever I say, and
Kangna,
you're
this
going
is
to
not-
make twist it, so I cannot talk to you. That's all I'm trying to say here.
Kangna,
Whatever
I'm trying
I
to
may
it's
say,
all
you
a
will
lie.
twist it.
I
Just
never,
interject.
I never
Let's
texted.
take
Oh.
this offline. We're not ignoring you. Let's take it offline together.
No, but see,
Genuinely,
see
we'll do
the
it pro-
problem is an actor can't accuse me of
No,
something.
not
I've been
at
here
all.
for
We'll
good
take
many
it
years.
offline.
I've interviewed several people.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I know how you're harming my brand. So
I'm
I'm
very
not comfortable
inconsequential,
answering to you.
Kangna.
No,
I am very inconsequential
We'll
with
take it
600
offline.
followers on Twitter. I have nothing to. I cannot harm
yeah.
anyone.
But I cannot
What
answer your question. That is all what I was coming to. But you
Kangna-
just flared up
Kangna,
and you
Kangna,
made it about
Kangna.
star and journalist.
Kangna, I was just asking. You could have refused to answer. You said, "तुम्हारी सोच गंदी है." Where does it come from?
Let's take it
Am I wrong? You said it right
Let's
here,
take
and
it
we have the
offline.
proof here.
Please, let's take it off.
रिपोर्टर ने न आव देखा न ताव, इवेंट को बीच में रोककर कंगना से क्लैरिफिकेशन मांगा।
I interviewed you for Manikarnika, which was done by the PR. Parag Desai, I think, was handling the film. I interviewed you for half an hour. We did not have lunch. I never messaged you ever. I did my job.
Let's come to the-
You
I'm
messaged
saying,
me.
guys.
Kangna, I did not. I did not.
Let's Let's not.
Kangna, if you can share the screenshot of my message, please.
Sure.
Of course I will, but I'm not
Wonderful.
here in some.
That'll be wonderful. Because
interrogation.
Kangna, because no, I'm saying.
कंगना के दावों पर सबूत मांगे और कंगना से कहा कि वो ऐसे किसी पत्रकार को डरा नहीं सकती। माहौल आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो गया।
ये बीच में नहीं बोलेंगे और आप लोग अभी इनका साथ दे रहे हो ये बीच में नहीं बोलेंगे
Okay, please, can we? Okay, please. Okay, please.
जस्टिन बात कर रहे हैं ये बीच में नहीं बोलेगा बाद में क्यों अभी बोला ना इसने बीच में किसको बोला बाद में बोलेगा जस्टिन और कंगना बात करेंगे अभी बात चल रही है
जी जी. We're so sorry, guys. We're so sorry about this. We'll continue. We have huge respect for everyone here.
We're really sorry
Thank
to
you. You all have
everyone.
come on a
Sorry about
Sunday.
this. Please continue talking.
मंच के बाजू में खड़े कंगना के पीआर मैनेजर्स भी सिचुएशन को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे थे, लेकिन जैसे तैसे मामला जगह पर सुलझा दिया गया। कुछ और सवाल जवाब के बाद इवेंट खत्म हुआ, मगर ये बात चलती रही। इवेंट के बाद कंगना के मैनेजर्स ने मीडिया के व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स पर सबूतों के तौर पर कंगना और रिपोर्टर के मिलने की तस्वीरें शेयर की। मणिकर्णिका को लेकर रिपोर्टर ने लिखी एक ट्वीट का स्क्रीनशॉट भी शेयर किया, जिसके बाद रिपोर्टर ने अपना पक्ष रखा। उन्होंने कहा, "Yes, when did I deny I didn't interview her? I didn't talk to her for 3 hours. I didn't have lunch with her. I didn't text her." All of which what she said. At the Manikarnika event, she spoke at length about stars not taking a political stand and not having any commentary, which is what I asked John Abraham, if it is a must for actors to take a political stand. So there's that. Also, where's the trolling? Well, रिपोर्टर अपनी बात पर अड़ा रहा। उनके हिसाब से कंगना ने जो भी आरोप लगाए वो बेबुनियाद है। इस पूरे मसले का क्या नतीजा निकलता है ये तो समय के साथ पता ही चल जाएगा, लेकिन एक तरीके से इस मामले ने फिल्म को हवा दे दी। ऐसा कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि मीडिया और स्टार के बीच हुई ये लड़ाई इतिहास में अब तक की सबसे बड़ी गहमागहमी रही। आपके क्या रिएक्शंस है इस पर? पोस्ट करिए अपने कमेंट।